Guns, I has it. Hello everyone, Paul Crummer here. I'll start by removing the front barrel band because that's the most exciting and enjoyable part of disassembly. Well, not really. It can be difficult and frustrating, especially if there's a cosmoline that's packed under there. What you do is that you need to press down and compress this spring, this flat spring, so that the protrusion or button at the end of that spring dips below the locking hole in the barrel band, and then the barrel band is slid forward. As for the hood on the front sight, people tend to just leave that alone. Typically, people use a C-clamp or vice grips to press down on the flat spring, and they use a cloth to protect the spring and the wood of the rifle while they're doing that. I'm using this tool that has plastic right here, and that lets me get away with not using a cloth in that area. Here you can see that I've used this clamp to press down on the spring, and the button now is below the locking hole there. So before attempting to get the barrel band off, I need to mention one other thing. It's necessary to secure the rifle so that it doesn't move around when attempting to remove the barrel band. A simple C-clamp and some cloth is what I use to do that. I'm using a hairdryer here to heat up the barrel band and loosen the cosmoline. After removing the cleaning rod and continuing to hit the scallops in the barrel band with this piece of wood, it eventually starts to move a little bit, so I will just continue. After quite a few vigorous whacks with the wooden block against the scallops here of the barrel band, it has come loose. It requires a fair bit of force to free it, especially when you see that the cosmoline there is caked on a bit. But that is the first step. It's not a gentle process. To complete the removal, the flat spring is lifted out, and then this band is slipped forward. After flipping the rifle around, the second band is relatively easy to get off with the rubber mallet. In my other videos in this series, I will show complete disassembly of the rifle. Thank you for watching.